Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine with your family, with your parents at your home. So students, as you know that it's Thursday today and January 14, 2021, and this is your maths class. I'm your teacher, Mr. Swana. So as you know that we are doing the topic of weight nowadays, and we have covered so many things in this topic. Now today we are going to do a new one under the title of the weight. So today we shall learn how to use symbols of greater than, smaller than and equals to compare different weights. You're already familiar with these symbols, but I will explain it to you now. Look at this figure. One dot at this one side and two dots on this one side. So that means this is the smaller side and the side which is having two dots is greater. It's having two dots. So this is the greater side and this is the smaller. So 1 is smaller than 2. 1 is smaller than 2 because this bigger mouth is towards the bigger number. So we can say 1 is smaller than 2 or 1 is lesser than 2. This is the same thing. Smaller and lesser is the same thing. 1 is lesser than 2 or 1 is smaller than 2. Now look at this figure. Three dots on this, two dots on this one side and one dot on this one side. So means this is the greater side. So if we have two numbers 5 and 3, where should 5 be? Yes, 5 should be at the greater one side. Here, this is the greater side with open mouth and having more circles, more dots than this side. So 5 will be on the greater side and 3 will be on the smaller side. So then this is the symbol of greater than, and 5 will be on the greater side. So we will say 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. This is the symbol of greater than. Look at this one, the same number, equal number of dots on both sides. Two dots here and two dots here means these are the same. So we use this symbol for equal numbers, same numbers, and it is called is equal to. So we will say 2 is equal to 2. Good. Some other examples. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3 or lesser than. 4 is equals to 4. 4 is equal to 4. We have some other examples. Look at this one. This is 3,502 grams and this is 3 kilogram and 500 grams. So first of all, you should know both amounts should be in grams. This is in grams, so it should also be in grams. So if you make the grams, if you convert it into grams, you will say 3,500 grams. 3,500 grams. And on this one side, you have 3,502 grams. So this side is greater. So that means this number is greater than this number. We use greater than symbol. Another example we have 8,419 grams, 9 kilogram, 419 grams. And you know that 9 kilogram means 9,000. So it is 9,419 grams. But on this one side, you have 8,419 grams. So obviously this amount is small. This is bigger. This is lesser than this amount. So you will say 8,419 grams is smaller than 9 kilograms, 419 grams. Now look at this one. This is 9,005 grams. Now you want to compare these two amounts. So convert this one also in grams. This is 9,005 grams. 9,005 grams. And this is also 9,005 grams. Oh, these are the same. So we will use the symbol of equality. 9,005 gram is equal to 9 kilogram and 5 gram. So I'm sure now your concept will be clear. So you revise this concept through this video and do the sums which I have given to you. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz to all of you.